How to download Roblox on PC or laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be demonstrating the process of downloading Roblox on your PC or laptop. Both devices follow the exact same method. If you're wondering what kind of game is Roblox, Roblox is the ultimate virtual universe that lets you create, share experiences with friends, and be anything you can imagine. So you can join the millions of people and discover an infinite variety of the immersive experiences created by a global community. So if you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Your support is genuinely appreciated. Now let's jump right into the video. You might have heard that the Roblox is available in the Microsoft Store. However, let me make this clear that avoid downloading that version as it's only geared towards NPCs. Using a browser is a more straightforward and preferable option. Simply head to the roblox.com first, then you will be greeted with a page similar to this. Obviously, you will need an account to download Roblox, and if you don't have one, creating it is a breach right here. Since I already have an account, I'll just log in. Now that I am signed in, here is the home page. As you can see, there is no download option in the site, only the Discover, Marketplace, Create, View, and other features. To initiate the download, navigate to the game, and once you find your desired game, click on the play button. A pop-up will appear, and here it is. Click on the download and install Roblox. Save it wherever you prefer, such as in the downloads folder. And one of the perks of downloading Roblox is that its swift installation process, that it takes only few seconds. After saving the file, open it up and let it install. Once it's done, you will encounter a layout resembling the website. Choose your desired game and hit play. Now Roblox is successfully downloaded in your PC, complete with a handy shortcut, and you're all set to delve into the popular games like Brookhaven or Jailbreak. So this was all about it. Thank you for watching.